Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Honorita James and I'm a clinical research scientist and I love sewing. My channel is all about how to help you transit from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting. Now, if that is what interests you, welcome to my channel. In today's channel, I'm going to be starting a series of how to use a completely free CAD pattern drafting software called Seamly2D. Some of you may have heard of it, some may not have heard of it. So in this video, it's actually for beginners. I'm going to take you by the hand and we're going to go step by step so you see how you can use Seamly2D. I have a lot of videos on my channel about CAD pattern making softwares. So I actually take my time and do a lot of videos on CAD pattern making softwares that I see online and I learn it and then I try to teach it. These are things that people actually pay for, but this is my own contribution to humanity. I am a self-taught uh, digital pattern drafting person. So I know what it takes. I know how difficult it is to actually go through the learning curve. If that is what interests you, enough of the talking, let's go straight and let us download Seamly 2D. This video is just to show you how you can download Seamly 2D. So the first thing you need to do is to get to Google and we're going to put in Seamly2D, seamly2d.net. You click on it and this is the Seamly2D website. And once you get there, it tells you here, download now. You click on that, getting started with Seamly. So here we need to put your name, your company name, your email address, your operating system, and then what you plan to use it for. And then you click on download. So I'm quickly going to do that. Once you've clicked on download, once you've entered your details and you've clicked on download, this is what you get. And then he said, you see something like success. The download is on its way to your inbox. So now you go ahead and check the email address that you put when you were registering your details. And that is my own email address. That is my email. This is what they sent to me. Hello, thank you for your interest in Seamly. Click here to download your Seamly software for Windows. You also have they gave you a link to the forum where you can ask questions about the software installation, pattern making, or how to use Seamly in any language. So you also have a link to the community forum where you can ask questions. So let's first click here to download our Seamly to Me. So the download is taking place right here. So once it is done, let me look at it. So that's the download. I'm going to open it and I'm going to pick it to be able to work on it. I'm taking it to my desktop because I want to be able to download it and have the icon on my desktop. So that is it. I'm going to click on it. Same the 2D installer. You double click on it. My my viral this thing on my computer is not allowing me to install it. So I'll have to remove that and then we'll continue with it. So that has been dealt with, so we continue with the setup. So this setup will install Seamly2D installer in this folder. I want it to install on my desktop, so I just click there to change the folder. I want it to be an icon on my desktop so that I can quickly access it whenever I want it. So just click there, change it to desktop. Okay. So now I'm going to click on install. So this is going to take some time. So I will just pause and come back to it. Now it is complete. So let's just close the application. Once you've closed the app, now you're going to go to this your app store on your Windows. Once you click on it, you'll see two icons. You'll see Seamly2D and you'll see SEAMLY. So let's just click on Seamly2D. When you click on it, this is our Seamly2D CAD pattern drafting software. So hit yourself on the chest or beat your chest. Congratulations, you've succeeded in downloading free CAD pattern drafting software called Seamly2D. Now, if you look at Seamly2D, you see that you have their toolbox on the left side. This is where you're going to be using a lot of these pattern drafting tools of Seamly2D to draft your patterns. Each of these has a lot of tools that you can use. And as you click on each of it, it expands to show you all the tools that you will need. So that is Seamly2D for you. That is the toolboxes that you're going to be using. And here, of course, is where you're going to be using to open new files, to save the files you've already finished working on, to draft, to create your measurement sets, to check the history of what you've done before, to check how you can do your pattern layout, to check for help if you need any help. If there's anything you need to know how to do, you can click there. And this is where you begin to draft a block. These are where you can zoom to 100%. This is where you can undo and redo. This is where you can select a particular section of your pattern. So there's a lot that you can do here. But as I said, this video is just for you to download your Seamly2D pattern drafting software. I'm not going to do anything else. As I said, this CAD pattern drafting online is a free course, and I'm going to take it step by step and as slow as possible so that even if you're a beginner and you want to transit from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting, it will not be difficult for you. That is why I'm choosing a CAD pattern drafting software that is completely free. So you have all the time in the world to learn it. So all you need is time, interest, and consistency. And before you know it, you'll be able to start drafting your own patterns. So with that, I've come to the end of this video 1 of free CAD pattern drafting course online for the beginner. So quickly go ahead, watch the video, download your Seamly2D. As I said, my channel is all about taking you in the hand and showing you how you can transition from your manual pattern drafting to your digital pattern drafting. Thank you so much for watching video 1, and get ready for video 2, where I'm going to explain to you how to use each of the pattern drafting tools that is found on Seamly2D, a completely free open source CAD pattern drafting software. Remember to subscribe, remember to drop your comments. If you have any challenges, quickly drop your challenges and I'll see how I can answer and help you as quick as possible. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.